Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw YAMPER, another Pokemon. So let's just start by drawing this yellow collar-like thing around his neck. So start with a curve that goes up, down, and then start curving out to the front and finish it off just like that. So right here will be his front paw, and we'll just draw a curve. Looks like a partial oval, and from here we'll finish off the collar by going back and narrowing up to the top here. Go out and then narrow to the top, and this is the start of his back, so it's gonna go out here. But let's start working on his head here. So right here, right above, let's draw an oval first for his eye, and the pupil, and a white diamond shape highlight. Go to the left a little ways and draw an upside down triangle, soft cornered, for the nose. From the left then we'll draw a slight curve, short curve, and from here let's go back up for the top of his mouth and go back underneath the eye and curve back. Alright, so right here then will be his tongue. So let's just draw the tongue out here, and some of this stuff is behind the collar, which is why we drew the collar first. So let's draw a center line for the tongue, and then you can kind of see a tooth here. So let's just draw that, and I'm gonna go ahead and darken the inside of his mouth, and on this side as well. Let's draw the top of his head. From here goes down to basically meet the nose, the top of the nose. So from here just draw a nice curve. So now we can draw the other eye, which will be on the other side, and this will be foreshortened. It'll be a narrower oval. So let's just indicate the pupil and a little bit of a highlight there as well. Next, let's draw the ear. Pretty big ears that'll go this way. From here go up to a point and then back down right here. Okay, so let's draw the inside of the ear. Just a curve, and then the leading edge of the ear comes up, not quite touching that line. So let's draw the other part of the ear with a line that goes to this curve. Let's draw the other ear. Here we'll only be able to see the outside part of the ear, but from here we'll go up to the point and give it form. Let's finish off the back of the head. Come up a little bit from the end of this line and draw a curve to the collar. Let's go ahead and draw the back. From this line then, it's going to go up towards towards his butt. Go up and down. Let's finish off this collar where it starts to hide behind the back. Okay, let's draw the belly and chest. Let's finish off this line here up a little bit higher and start drawing the chest and then the butt. Let's draw a line right here for the front of his leg, which will lead to his foot, back foot, and we'll be looking at the bottom of his foot here, but draw an oval and the bottom of his paw, couple lines to separate the toes, and you'll also be able to see a little bit of the bottom of the front foot here, the front paw. Okay, so let's draw the butt section, go up and then back down. And from here we'll go ahead and draw the back paw. Same thing, another oval and a couple lines to separate the toes. So right here then is his tail. So from here just draw a line that goes out and then back like that, and then this is gonna go up because it looks like a lightning bolt, and back across. And here let's finish off the lightning tail to the base. We can finish off this paw then this way and finish off the back of his butt here and a short line. So the butt actually has a heart-shaped feature. So from here, the base of the tail, we're gonna go out quite a ways and back, and then finish off the heart by going up and then the top right there. So you see the heart, and we're gonna outline this, but there's a point at the front top here. Back and just a parallel line to the heart shape we already drew, and back up. Okay, I'm gonna draw a couple more details. So from the eye, we've got this line that goes to the top of the head, and same with back here to the back behind the ear, and a crescent shape right above the eye. And we'll do the same thing here, up, and that crescent shape. Let's draw some shadow lines and down here. So now I'm going to finish this drawing by outlining with my thicker marker, just to separate the main parts of the drawing from the detail lines. And I'm going to stylize the width of these lines a little bit. Notice how this part's thicker up here. And here's the collar. Kind of gets lost amongst all the lines. So I'll just make that thicker and emphasize the paw here. So that's it for Yamper. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.